Level 1, 8:47 a.m. Your phone. You're eating breakfast. Toast, coffee, nothing special. Your phone buzzes. Unknown number. One message. Leave a $20 bill on the bench outside your building. Do it now. You laugh. You put the phone down. It buzzes again. We know you saw this. Do it now. Something about the certainty of that message. No threats, no explanation, just absolute confidence that you will obey. You grab a 20 from your wallet. You tell yourself it's just curiosity. You go outside. You place it on the bench. You go back upstairs. 3 minutes later, your phone buzzes again. Good, we'll be in touch. You stand in your kitchen. Toast gone cold, coffee untouched, and somehow you already know this isn't over. Level 2. The commands get stranger. Over the next 3 days, the messages keep coming. Buy 2 sandwiches from the deli on 5th. Leave one on the fire escape of the building across from yours. You do it. Call the number 555-0142. Say nothing. Just listen. You call. An old man's voice, shaking, singing quietly to himself, like he doesn't know anyone is there. You listen for 4 minutes. You hang up with tears you don't understand. Go to Riverside Park at 6 p.m. Sit on the 3rd bench from the entrance. Stay for 20 minutes. You go. A woman sits next to you after 10 minutes. She looks exhausted, lost. Without thinking, you ask, "Are you okay?" She looks at you like nobody has asked her that in years. She talks for the full 10 minutes. You just listen. When you leave the park, your phone buzzes. You're starting to understand. Final level. The last command. 1 week in, the final message arrives. Go to the address below. Knock 3 times. You won't need to say anything. You stand outside a small apartment on a quiet street. Worn steps, potted plant by the door. You knock 3 times. The door opens. An old man, frail, warm eyes, cardigan 2 sizes too big. He looks at you and smiles like he was expecting you. You've been doing my errands. You stare at him. The bench, the sandwiches, the phone call? He nods slowly. I had a stroke 6 months ago. Can't get around like I used to. My grandson set up a system before he passed. Said he'd find someone good. Your throat tightens. He chose you 3 weeks ago. Watched you help that lady with her groceries. Said you had a kind face. You stand on that doorstep, completely undone. All this time, you thought someone was controlling you. Someone was. A 19-year-old kid who isn't here anymore, who just wanted to make sure his grandfather was never truly alone. You show up every day after that. No more anonymous messages, just you and him, and 2 cups of coffee getting cold on the table while the conversation stays warm.
If this just blew your mind, then subscribe to Mr. You Knows
And the bell.
and tell me in the comments, what should the next what if scenario be? Because there are countless things around us that we use
without ever thinking about them.
next time we'll think about it together.